up, everybody? Just coming live from Herbal Extreme. I'm in the warehouse helping pack some orders today. So you guys get to pack some orders with me. So right now we got a customer out in Macon, Georgia, who's enjoying some of our Wake energy caps. Helps with energy, endurance, and stamina. So will help you feel like you're accomplished, getting things done that you're not doing around the house, or go run those extra errands you need to do. You just don't got that extra drive to do it. Now you will. So I want to appreciate you. Hope everybody's enjoying their day. Got a few other orders we already packaged. Got a happy customer out in Weirdsdale, Florida. Got one of our 32-ounce Expulsion Detox drinks. Also a customer out in Jeanerette, Illinois, or Louisiana, sorry about that. They bought one of our 5-day cleanse. Does the blood, liver, urine, and kidneys. We'll pack one more up with you guys today. This is a great store. It's called Natural Healing and Vitamins Plus in Montgomery, Alabama. They buy a lot of product from us. We got a lot of happy people out there. Got some hormonal balance, or it's called Remedy, R-E-M-A-D. They buy a lot of that from us. We got immune support, Immunizen. If you need a healthy immune support, try it out. If you need some help with anxiousness, stress, anything like that, it's called Anxiafen, A-N-Z-I-A-F-E-N. They carry it. Brain and focus support, called Focus Set. It's a great product. It's a nootropics brain and focus support. And also, if you need help with your blood pressure, keeping the good levels, it's called Perfusion, P-E-R-F-U-S-I-O-N. It's a great product. So go check them out. Natural Healing and Vitamins Plus in Montgomery, Alabama. They're a great store. We appreciate them very much. Go in there, ask for one of our products by name. You won't be disappointed. Gonna finish packing this up really fast, and then I'm going back to the other department, and I'll let everybody else finish packing the rest of the orders for the day. We appreciate you guys. If you have any questions, you can go to herbalextreme.org. That's HERBALEXTREME.org, or you can call us at 785-498-7008. And you have a great day.